What's happening, FPGA friends? I am here. It's 2019. Just wanted to give you a quick update. I have a whole bunch of new content planned for this year. Things about like how to get a job as an FPGA engineer, how to interview for an FPGA job, what your salary might look like, things like that. I'm also planning tons more examples to show you what the code looks like, VHDL and Verilog code looks like, some projects to do like I2C, SPI, bunch of cool stuff planned. And the best way to kind of support me and keep me motivated to crank out this great content is to check out my new Patreon page, which I just launched. I'm excited about it. I've already got some people supporting me there, and I would love for you to have support me as well. For as little as $2 a month, you can absolutely keep me going and show your support for the content that I have been creating. If you get to the $5 a month level, then you can actually suggest in the Patreon page itself projects that you want to see or examples you want to see, or maybe something you're not clear on, and I can talk about that. And if you want to do 25 bucks a month, I'll talk to you personally. I'll give you a phone call and we can chat about FPGA designs or anything you're having trouble with. I would just love to chat with you and pick your brain. So that's pretty much what this video is for. I wanted to announce that. I really hope you'll consider signing up. Again, it's the best way to keep me cranking out good content. And there's not enough FPGA content on the internet, so hopefully with your support we can help fix that. For those of you who have bought the Go board, super appreciate that. Thank you very much. It's been great. Have a lot of great feedback coming in from people who really enjoy working with it. So I'm thrilled about that. And if you haven't got yourself a Go board yet, I do encourage you to check it out. They're inexpensive FPGA development board. I got a lot of projects that are geared for it, so you can dive right in and immediately get up and running with some of the content that's already on Nandland. That's pretty much it. Thanks very much. Have a great 2019, and I'll talk to you on Patreon.